So, example ito pa, buy bus, drug bus. So, extortion of money of public official. So, or drug by bus. So, the ultraviolet examination in the presence of the fluorescent powder detect the fingerprint of the suspect to the money and entrapment operation. The hands of the suspect identify, so detect that the suspect commit a crime. So, in ultraviolet examination, application of science. So, anong ginamit? Ultraviolet examination, yung fluorescent powder, and entrapment operation pa rin, fundamentals of criminal investigation. So, in entrapment, siyempre, meron dyan interrogation. So, meron dyan application of science, instrumentation, examination of physical evidence, comparison of physical evidence, linking the suspect to the victim. So, chain of custody of evidence, and ano pa? Chain of custody of evidence. Probable cause, siyempre, may probable cause diyan. Bakit? Andun yung elements ng na extorting money, or presence of drug, illegal possession of dangerous drugs, andun, RA 9165, with application of science, detect the suspect, identify the suspect, and instrumentation, application of science, using fluorescent powder and ultraviolet examination. So, sa serial number, meron tayong macro-etching examination. So, yan yung science. Application of science. So, balikan ko yung kanina tinuro. Yung sa physical injuries naman, so nandiyan ang medico legal. Expert sa titingnan kung ano ang nangyari doon sa biktima o sa suspect. So, nandiyan medico legal. So, to prove the serious physical injuries and the defensive wound, any wound. So, iimbestigahan po para rin malaman kung halimbawa kung kahit even the shooting incident, malalaman mo rin kung sino unang nagpaputok ng firearm. So, in trajectory, forensic ballistic, and forensic ballistic examiner. So, in recovering comparison of cartridge in the bullet recovery box using microscope. So, ayan po yung mga application na ginagawa. Presence of gunpowder nitrates, so instrumentation gunpowder nitrates residue in the firearm and the hands of the suspect. Using kerosene spray. So, any instrumentation in the forensic science. So, yan po ang example. So, gaya yung sinabi ko, shooting incident, recovered in the bullet recovery box. The ballistic examiner matching the cartridge case in the to determine the suspect is from the victim or to the suspect or to the victim. So, to determine the distance determination, the trajectory, the serial number, the using macro-etching examination, the gunpowder nitrates in the hands of the suspect, the paraffin test examination. So, yun po, in shooting incident. So, in shooting na tayo in serious physical injuries and in murder. So, determining the wound, so example in the murder elements, treachery. So, if the wound is at the back, so treachery. The murder, unlawful killing, and treachery is present. The physical evidence, the chain of custody, in a murder case, the murder weapon of the suspect, and the forensic applications, tool mark examination, and murder weapon, gathering evidence, the blood spatter pattern, and the fingerprint, and the uh, ang daming evidence. So, prove the assassination. Example, in the footprint, in the shoe print of the suspect. Uh, Malalaman mo kung ano nangyari sa isang lugar kung maiimbestigahan mo with application of science. So, tanong. Example, hindi pa pala tapos. In shoe print, fiber, evidence, uh, shoe print, fiber, so fiber evidence, in clothing. So, ito, tanong. Sa, ano ba ang pinakamaganda? Application of science or simple investigation, interrogation, tactical interrogation? Yun ang tanong. Paano ba ginagawa yung interrogation and instrumentation of science? So, paano ko sasagutin? Sagutin nyo muna bago ko sagutin. Ano ba mas maganda? Investigation or application of science? Forensic. So, ano pinaka the best na makukuha mo yung evidence? Yung lahat